Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making the system safe. Power off, unplug, and remove any removable battery. This prevents shorts. Next, ground yourself with an ESD strap or touch metal. Static kills SSDs silently. Once done, flip the Latitude over and remove the access panel screws with a PH0 screwdriver. Use a plastic pry tool for stubborn tabs. You're now looking at the drive bay. Note cable routes and screw locations, so you can reverse the steps later without guessing. Now you'll remove the drive itself. Identify whether it's M2 or a 2. 5 SATA. For M2, unscrew the standoff, hold the drive at a small angle and slide it out, no force. For 2. 5 SATA, remove the bracket screws and gently pull the drive straight from its connector. If a cable is present, unplug it before lifting. Keep parts organized in a container. Make sure to note connector orientation and any thermal pads or foam, so reinstallation matches. Finish by reversing teardown. Reinstall the drive or a replacement, align connectors and secure screws without over-torquing, then reattach access panel and battery. Power on, press the BIOS key, and confirm the SSD appears in storage. This verifies physical and firmware recognition. If the drive isn't detected, shut down, reseat the SSD and cable, and recheck the standoff screw. Loose alignment causes no contact. As a key troubleshooting tip, if reseating fails, test the SSD in a USB adapter or another system to isolate drive versus laptop issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.